Some breaking news, a bit of it, on the New York State investigation into former President Trump's business dealing. We now know that Donald Trump, along with his two adult children, you see him here, Donald Trump Jr. and Ivanka Trump, there is finally a date that has been set for when they are to appear in court. It is July 15th. NBC's Tom Winter is here, and I presume clearing his schedule for that day, Tom, because, listen, we know that the Trumps have looked to take legal action to avoid this moment for months.
That's exactly correct, Hallie. As a matter of fact, this legal battle goes back to February, and even before that, there was a order to conduct these depositions back then. It's been weaving through the New York Court of Appeals, and now the sides have come to an agreement. So this is not something where the judge just happened to pick a date. This is something where the president's attorneys, as well as Ivanka and Donald Trump Jr.'s attorneys, have come to an agreement with the Attorney General's office that Friday, July 15th, will be when they will start these depositions. They have through the end of the following week to complete them, though I don't anticipate this to be a 5-6 day affair. They will not be talked to at the same time. So these depositions will not occur with all three of them in the room. They will speak with them separately, we're told. Now, this could change again, my kind of standard asterisk whenever we talk about this, because the Trumps do have a window to file any sort of a follow-on appeal with the New York State Court of Appeals, and they could always issue a stay. So this is not a final date, and that's just how these things go. But at this point, the big key to this is that the president's attorneys, as well as Donald Trump Jr.'s and Ivanka's attorneys, have agreed to this July 15th date. And this is in the civil investigation, not in the criminal investigation, obviously, Hallie, being run by New York Attorney General Letitia James into the president's business himself and his properties and his business dealings. So that's what this surrounds. It's been ongoing for quite some time, as you are aware. And this, I think, is a pretty good signal that once this is taken, that they're probably towards the end, if not the end, of that inquiry. So that's just generally when they speak to the principals at the end of it. That's a good sign that it's coming to a conclusion. And then we'll hear what the Attorney General's office decides to do.